James. Everybody calls me JB.
Okay.
I got two SPL15 D1s on a Orion 8K BB2. She doesn't do too bad wired at 1 ohm. You know, right around 4,000 watts on music right now, clamp.
Okay. Nice. What's that around the magnet? It's different?
Around the magnet, it's bolted together.
Oh, wow. That's pretty
cool.
cool.
The top and bottom plate are bolted together so that the magnet will not shift.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that.
Yes.
Nice. All right. What is this? Okay, 6th order.
Yes. 6th
All
order.
right.
2-to-1 6th order. Tune 2550.
25. Okay. Have you ever get it metered?
Yes. She burps a 156.1 at 29 hertz on rate a hair over 7,000 watts.
Very nice.
So definitely needs a lot more power, but she doesn't do too bad.
That's pretty good. I was gonna say, yeah, for the 8K amp only. All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Do you do subsonic runs ever?
Yep.
You do?
Yep.
Okay.
That's what I do. I build it purposely for subsonic suicide.
Awesome. What's your average run on your best bet score?
On a wall 1 score, right around like a 152.5, 153 on subsonic at that's before bonus points at like 28 hertz.
Okay. That's really good. Wow.
So like a 150, 154 after bonus. It's not bad. I don't really count on the bonus.
Yeah. Really? Okay.
Excellent question.
Yes.
Good rock that to that thing. Need everything still. I can keep a run that still with the factory radio still in there.
That's an aftermarket radio. I just had to take it out of the dash because I destroyed a few of them. So I had to change it out and pull it out of the dash. So I just put a dummy in there to fill the hole.
Okay.
So we'll let's see here. Let me give you some logos.
Okay.
Because that's what she likes the best.
All right.
So a little 23 hertz should do it.
Ooh. Okay. On everybody, this is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of James' system he was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment right now what you like about his system. I was really impressed with how loud and efficient 2 subwoofers can get in a really efficient box inside of this vehicle. He did a really good job, so I appreciate you giving me a demo, James, if you're watching. Shout out to you, man. So if you notice the way the box layout is, he built into the vehicle to fit as much space as possible with all the angles and a lot of fab work. In the back, you can see hidden there is that back port, making it a 6th order bandpass enclosure. And the unique style of these Orion SPL subs. I've probably seen them before. I just didn't really recognize them, but these magnets are unique to me, so I figured I'd mention that. I didn't get a close-up view of the 8,000 watt amplifier, but it is at 1 ohm. Really impressive to see him clamping 4,000 watts during this 2-song demo we're getting to, and it was playing really musical response. It seemed like it was playing anything from the low 20 hertz range all the way into the high 50 hertz range. And if you notice the way he has his port dialed in, that helped with the low end frequency in the front. And I didn't find out what the electrical system was, but I'm going to say 90 amp hour plus of C-Max lithium with a 320 plus amp alternator. It's got to be because he was holding really good voltage during the demo, you'll see. And last thing before we get to the demo, if you notice the way he has his built box all the way back, which is really efficient. So anybody building a box wall like this, that's the way to go. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy this impressive demo.
Let me give you some logos.
Okay.
Because that's what she likes the best.
All right.
So a little 23 hertz should do it.
Ooh, okay. How does it do both windows down?
It doesn't do too bad. It does a lot better, but I'll give you the wind on this.
Okay, all right. Definitely good low-end monster for sure.
That's what she was built for.
Thank you very much.
Not a problem.
Awesome.
Man.
Appreciate the demo there, man. You have a good day. Stay cool, man.
Always.